everyone, myself Shweta Sinha and I am back here with our next topic. No next topic today, next session, practice session. Okay students, yes, in this session we will take whatever we have learned till last class. So we will take some question based on that. Okay, and this practice session is important for academic, CBSE, ICSE as well as for NTSE, KVPY foundations. Okay, so let's start. And today's topic for this practice session is combination of resistance. Okay, today we will do numerical based on combination of arrangement. So in first I have taken 4 questions. Okay, these are very basic question. Later we will move towards little bit complex question. Okay, तो पहले हम इन चारों की बात कर लेते हैं, फिर देखते हैं कॉम्प्लेक्स क्वेश्चंस में क्या होता है. So first question is this. Okay, you have given an arrangement of resistances and you need to calculate R equivalent, means total resistance for this circuit. For this kind of question students, first we need to identify the resistances, where they are in series combination, where they are in parallel combination, and we know the formula for series combination. R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 and so on. Okay, and for parallel combination R equivalent, 1 upon R1 is equals to 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R plus 1 upon R3, okay, and plus 1 upon Rn. This is for series and parallel. Okay, you should remember these two formula. ये आपके माइंड में हमेशा फिक्स होने चाहिए जब भी आप क्वेश्चन करो, ठीक है. यस, नाउ सेकेंड थिंग, हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई. अब फॉर्मूला तो हमें पता है, लेकिन अगर हमें आइडेंटिफाई ही नहीं करना आएगा तो आप फॉर्मूला कैसे अप्लाई करोगे. सो फर्स्ट नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई. वी नो दैट फॉर सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन there should be a single path, and for parallel combination both end of resistances should be meeting at common point. Okay, so we can find this 1 ohm and 1 ohm. Can you see? Are they in parallel combination? Yes. Why? Because both ends are meeting at common point. So we can solve first this pair. Okay, तो जैसे जैसे हमारे को पता चलते जाए कि ये रेजिस्टेंस जो है सीरीज में है, ये वाले रेजिस्टेंस पैरेलल में है, तो हम उनको सेपरेटली सॉल्व करते जाएंगे एंड हमारे सर्किट को सिंप्लीफाई करते जाएंगे. इन दिस सर्किट वी हैव नोन दिस. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस टू. फॉर R equivalent will be 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. After solving this we get R equivalent is equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. At least you should remember parallel combination R equivalent formula for two resistance. Okay, ताकि आप एग्जाम में टाइम ना लो. ऐसे तो आप इसको सॉल्व करके एलसीएम लेके कर ही लोगे, बट if you remember this direct formula it will save your time. Okay, so R equivalent for this combination will be what? R1 R2 means 1 multiply 1 divided by 1 plus 1, that is 0.5 ohm. Okay, now you can see this R equivalent after solving becomes 0.5 ohm. So I can replace this circuit. This is 0.5 ohm. We have solved this. This is 1 ohm. This is 1 ohm. This is A terminal. This is B. Now it is easy to observe that these three are in series combination because there is a single path. एक ही लाइन में चल रहे हैं वो, ठीक है. लाइन का मतलब स्ट्रेट से ही नहीं है, एक पाथ से है, ठीक है. देयर इज अ सिंगल पाथ. सो टोटल R इक्विवेलेंट विल बी व्हाट? एक्चुअल R इक्विवेलेंट क्या हो जाएगा पूरे सर्किट के लिए? 1 प्लस 0.5 प्लस 1, 2.5 ओम. इज देयर एनी प्रॉब्लम? नो. ओके, नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, similar this we will apply same concept in next question, but in this question not R equivalent is not asked. Here I total means total current flowing through the circuit you need to calculate. Okay, so total current will be what student? From Ohm's law we know that I is equal to V upon R. For total current, total voltage upon total resistance. Total resistance is what? R equivalent. Okay. Now I think you got the point that first you need to calculate the R equivalent for this given circuit. Yes. And how do you calculate? First observe the arrangement of resistance. This is the part where resistances are arranged. Okay. अब इसमें आपको ये चेक करना है कि कौन से रेजिस्टेंस सीरीज में है, कौन से रेजिस्टेंस पैरेलल में है. ठीक है. सो लेट्स चेक फ्रॉम दिस साइड. इफ आई सी 3 ohm 6 ohm 3 ohm, बताओ ये सीरीज में है, पैरेलल में है? नो, वी कांट से. these three are not in series. Why? Because there is a junction point. Junction point means path is going to divide. Okay. आप देख सकते हो, if current is coming through this path, it is going to divide in this path and in this path. That means these three are not in series. And yes, these three are not in parallel too. Why? Because there is no, you can see one point is common but another point is different for all three resistors. Okay. So इन तीनों के बारे में तो हम कुछ बोल ही नहीं सकते, ना ये सीरीज में है ना ये पैरेलल में है. So अभी इनको सॉल्व करने का मतलब ही नहीं है, सॉल्व आप कर ही नहीं सकते हो. फर्स्ट नाउ हमारे को वो देखना पड़ेगा कि किसका कॉम्बिनेशन हमें प्रॉपर मिल रहा है. सो इफ वी मूव फर्दर वी कैन सी दिस 3 ohm एंड दिस 3 ohm आर ऑन अ सिंगल पाथ. एक ही पाथ पर है दिस 3 ohm एंड दिस 3 ohm. दैट मीन्स दे आर इन सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन. ओके. एंड व्हाट would be the value of this? When two resistances are in series, R1 plus R2 means 3 plus 3, 6 ohm. Okay. Now you can replace this portion by 6 ohm. So circuit become this portion is as it is. Okay, because we have not solved yet. But this portion has been solved and 6 ohm is resistance. Okay. Now we can see this resulting and this one both are in parallel combination. Okay. So what would be the value for this? R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Okay. So that means R equivalent for this will be what? 6 into 6, 6 plus 6. Okay. That means 3 ohm. अब आपका सर्किट पूरी तरह से सॉल्व हो गया. यू हैव ओनली दिस रेजिस्टेंस एंड यू हैव सॉल्व दिस ब्रांच दैट इज 3 ohm. ओके. सो नाउ सर्किट बिकम लाइक दिस. दिस इज 3 ohm, दिस इज 3 ohm and this is 100 volt. Can you calculate current now? Yes, of course, because we can easily see this 3 and this 3 both are in series. Okay, both are in series. And voltage is also given. So I will be voltage upon R equivalent means 100 upon R equivalent. Final R equivalent will be what? 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. So 100 upon 6 ampere. 100 upon 6 ampere. Okay. So question number first done. Question number second done. Now question number 3. In this question you need to calculate I2 and I1. Very easy question. I2 and I1 we can see both two resistances are given in parallel combination and we know that in parallel combination current are different. That's why I2 and I1 for both the resistance. Okay. Voltage is given 10 ohm. So what would be the value of I2 and I1? We know the formula. I is equal to V upon R. That means I2 will be V upon R2 which is 10 upon, what is the value of R2? 3 ohm. 10 upon 3 ampere. Similarly I1 will be what? 10 upon R1. 10 upon 1 ampere. Simple formula you need to apply. Okay. तो वोल्टेज तो दोनों के लिए कॉमन है. इस रेजिस्टेंस के लिए इस रेजिस्टेंस के लिए आपको सिर्फ रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू चेंज मिली है. ठीक है. सो I2 and I1 can be easily calculate. Now answer number 4. For this question, students, same thing, R equivalent we need to calculate. And what we need to do then? Of course, we need to identify when the resistance are in series and where they are in parallel. Okay, so we can see these two are in series. No. Why? Because one junction point is there. Current is going like this. Okay. And are these two in series? No. Why? Again, between these two resistance, this junction point we have. Okay. Are these two in series? Yes. Because there is no other wire. Okay. एक ही wire पे हैं ये दोनों 6 and 3. So what would be the value of this? I can replace now these two resistance को आप एक वैल्यू से रिप्लेस कर सकते हो क्योंकि आपको दिख रहे हैं कि 6 and 3 आर इन सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन. सो हाउ मच वे वैल्यू ऑफ दिस? Now your circuit, if you solve this combination 6 plus 3 because they are in series combination and 6 plus 3 will be what? 9 ohm. Okay, 6 plus 3 will be what? 9 ohm. Now इन दोनों को तो आपने सॉल्व कर लिया 9 ओम. अब आप देख सकते हो दिस 9 ओम एंड दिस 3 ओम बिटवीन ए एंड बी 2 पॉइंट्स. This 9 ohm and this 3 ohm between A and B points are in parallel combination. So simply final R equivalent will be what? R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Okay. So 9 multiply 3 upon 9 plus 3, 27 upon 12 will be 9 by 4 ohm. Okay. So this is how we solve some numericals based on combination of resistances. Okay students, later we will see some complex numerical also on the same topic, combination of resistance. So thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned with us. Thank you so much.